My name is Jacob and I like to read.
हंसिए और हंसिए
My name is Sonia and I like
इधर थोड़ा घूम के थोड़ा काम करने वाला हाँ बन जाइए हंसना मत सामने आपके हाथ पाँव के सामने you have to now feel the fear the people गुस्सा दिखाइए now when you're showing anger you can't show गुस्सा से आता है मुस्कुराना मुस्कुराइए but not laughing just a smile ये जैसे हाथ पैर भी ऐसे हटते नहीं है चिकन ऐसे ऐसे मुंह से बोलेगा अब एक बाल्टी लगाएंगे बाल्टी लगाइए बाल्टी के आकार के साथ बाल्टी लगाइए नीचे लगा दिया so that everything moves the बाल्टी अब बहुत कम पानी भरिए नलके से रोक दीजिए पानी बहुत कम है बाल्टी बहुत हल्की है अब आप बाल्टी को उठा लीजिए आसानी से उठेगा बाल्टी आसानी से उठेगा बिकॉज बाल्टी हल्का है पानी कम है वापस डाल दीजिए नलके को टू बी पिक्ड अप अब भर दीजिए बाल्टी को पूरा असली टेस्ट है how you pick up this balti with all your strength. You know, you never pick up you never, you know, it's an illusion. He's creating an illusion. अब देखिए, look at his posture. उस साइड में नहीं, उस साइड में नहीं, तरफ के लिए. It's all about an illusion. A magician and a mime actor always create an illusion. There is no balti. There is no tap. बड़े आराम से नहीं होगा बेटा सीधा. इसको तो थोड़ा ये. And now it has to be visible on your hands, on your face, and also your movement. ये भी 3 तोले का है अब और क्या अब क्या निकला ऐसी निकल गया चॉकलेट भी रखे हैं थैंक यू It's clear, but is it true? But you can do the same. रखिए बड़ा केला बनाएंगे ताकि पीछे से देख पाएंगे 1 2 3 अब रुक जाइए अब तीसरा में पारी हाँ बता दीजिए अब लोगों को देखिए उनको बताइए कि मैं खाने वाला हूँ केला आप नहीं खाएंगे चेहरे से बताएंगे फिर मुंह को खोलेंगे और आनंद आएगा Point number 2 to define objects. You can show an almari, you can show computer, you can show so many other things. He's not walking, but he's walking. He's not talking. Another set of his vocal cords. You talk to him, the violin talks back. You know, he like so good about it. At once we did something with him. So there's either the synthesizer, or there is the percussion, or there is the violin. I think only these three really. Right? I'm saying this because I want to come to a point of Bharat Swachh Banana. Comes the beginning. If the end is okay, so basically you want to end at something which is funny but has a social desire. Okay, hang on. Let's get
money. Funny. Let's be serious, yeah. You gonna fucking kiss him to the group, man. क्यों गिरा रहे हो?
ये क्या चल रही हो?
बाकी किचन में पढ़ने दो।
किचन तुम क्या?
नहीं करूँगा।
क्या?
नहीं मैं बोलूँगी only over your heart. Neighbors क्या बोलेंगे? Neighbors our point करो। Point है।
ये प्रेशर की चक्कर है नहीं बाबू प्रेशर को पकड़ो ना 1% just let it go I'll leave go you go and then let it come
See or like
Yeah, then like you're still behind me. My gun, you're trembling. I feel like because I get closer, not just you.
and now we have to stop.
Yeah, it's going over.
Now you say
You both come और इनसे मिलिए ये है मिस्टर मेहता you come here बेटा you come here this and she says that this hold let's go yeah
नहीं करना मुझे और
so you just speak in your
I haven't laughed even once in the
fine
दिखा रहे हैं एक दिन अचानक
This is a story of two friends, the closest of buddies, who've always had each other's best interest at heart. They found a confidant in each other. one fine day, you must do it, go, was not so fine. And more than one life was lost. Hey, what's wrong? Did you get the money? I shot someone today. Get over it. He was horrified when he realized what he had done. He did not want to lead this life and he did not want to be a part of this community. But he had no choice because he had no other resources. It was the same street a few days later, and everything was normal. Until I finally got you. I know what you did, and you're gonna pay for it, my friend. We must understand that with great power comes great responsibility. It is not fair to deal with all our problems the way they've ended up dealing with it here.
When you thought about this small script? Anybody wants to answer that?
It's fine, I'm good. I don't know, we were thinking about the few options we had, comedy, tragedy, social commentary, and we just thought tragedy was our best bet at it. And then while, brainstorming, we were thinking murder, something, mugging, whatever, and then best friends, something happens to one of them, we just joined all together and we made the script.
Was everybody part of the scripting process?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Speaking together.
नमस्कार।
आज हम सब आप सबके सामने एक नाटक प्रस्तुत कर रहे हैं जिसका नाम है कुछ कुछ कभी कभी रिया की कहानी।
अरे देर हो रही है, मुझे स्कूल जाना है।
रिया, कहाँ जा रही हो?
स्कूल पढ़ने।
पढ़ने? जाकर खाना तैयार करो। सुनो, खाना तैयार है। रिया, पानी लेकर आओ। ठीक है।
अरे बेटा, आराम से आराम से आराम से। बेटा, आपका स्कूल का टाइम हो रहा है, आप जल्दी स्कूल जाइए।
बाय, ध्यान रखना।
मम्मी,
क्या?
मुझे भी जाना है
कहाँ?
पढ़ने।
पढ़ेगी? साफ कर बर्तन, जा। सब कुछ खराब कर देती हो तुम। बर्तन साफ कर लिए?
नहीं, मुझे नहीं करने।
क्यों?
मुझे पढ़ना है।
इस लड़की के दिमाग में तो पढ़ाई घुस चुकी है। सुनो,
क्या हुआ?
मेरे से जुबान लड़ाती है ये लड़की।
रुको, मैं देखता हूँ। मम्मी से जुबान लड़ाएगी, मम्मी से जुबान लड़ाएगी। ठीक से सुन, लड़की है, लड़की की तरह ही रहे, लड़का बनने की कोशिश मत कर। ध्यान से सुन, लड़की है,
लड़के बनने की कोशिश मत कर। तू लड़की है, तू लड़का बनने की कोशिश मत कर। तू लड़की है, लड़का बनने की कोशिश मत कर। नहीं, बस हो गया। अब बर्दाश्त नहीं होता। नहीं, 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 नहीं,
नहीं।
We were just thinking कि अगर कॉमेडी करेंगे तो लोगों को हंसाना बहुत टफ होगा, so we thought about a tragedy. So we were thinking something related to that, and we wanted to do a mixture of a tragedy and a social tragedy. So I wanted to.
Excellent. I think you handled it very well. Your caricatures were very good. And also the ending in this, all of us think that is this happening today also, which is something to think about, and the fact that any questions?
हाय नकुल। ओह, क्या हो गया? ओह, पढ़ने का टाइम हो गया है। बहुत पढ़ता है नकुल, सारा दिन पढ़ता रहता है, कभी मैथ्स का काम, कभी ज्योग्राफी। मिलिए नकुल के माँ बाप से, मिस्टर एंड मिसेस मेहता। क्या कर रहा है? पढ़ाई पिताजी, स्कूल का काम। याद रख, अच्छी तरह से पढ़ना। पैसे मेरे हैं, तुझे स्कूल में मैंने डाला। दिमाग में डाल ले, ज्यादा नंबर चाहिए, समझा? दिमाग में डाल ले बेटा, अच्छी तरह से पढ़ना। चलो, टाइम हो गया। ये है नकुल के हेडमास्टर मिस्टर विद्या मंदिर। नमस्ते हेडमास्टर जी। याद रखो बेटा, अच्छी तरह पढ़ना, पूरे नंबर आने चाहिए। मैं चलता हूं। क्या कर रहा है? पढ़ाई, पिताजी ने कहा है पढ़ना है। क्या पढ़ाई? सारा दिन पढ़ता रहता है। और भी कुछ कर लिया करना। नहीं नहीं नहीं, पिताजी मारेंगे। क्या यार, छोड़ पढ़ाई को, जिंदगी के रंगीन मजे भी लिया कर। नहीं 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 नहीं, क्या यार, ये सब देख, सारा दिन कुछ और करते हैं, कमरे में नहीं बैठते, बाहर निकला कर। नहीं नहीं निकल सकता मैं। क्या करूं मैं? इधर मेरे दोस्त, उधर मेरे दोस्त, कुछ नहीं कर सकता मैं। सारा दिन पढ़ाई पढ़ाई पढ़ाई, थक गया हूं मैं। अब मैं नहीं सह सकता ये, और नहीं कर सकता। मेरे दोस्त, मैं हूं, तुम्हारे पास अभी पूरी जिंदगी पड़ी है, इसका मजा लो।
It's a dialogue which you've started, and it's interesting for people to hear this. Is that, let me give you a little bit. I work with other schools also, and I was also working with other schools in West Delhi. And this is something I think, like you are all very seized with, this kind of pressure. I think all the teachers in school are also seized with this kind of pressure. I think this is something which is true for your school as well as the other schools, where I think the very fact that you are talking about it, the teachers are hearing you talk about it, this is the precise reason why I think theatre plays a very big role in actually putting the whole subject up in an objective manner. Theatre does that. You can create theatre to narrate a point. Having said that, I want to know that ultimately how did you lock on to this kind of pressure business? What prompted you? I was part of this conversation in the beginning. Wasn't I there right when you were here? And it started from a comedy, then a satire, then a tragedy, then it finally boiled down to that. So was that process of sort of sieving up everything easy, or did you find the teamwork when you were shifting from A to B to C easy? Or it was just so seamless that you don't think about it, everybody just decided we'll do it?
Everyone is very flexible with the ideas.
And it's all as we went about it.
So I think by and large, I think you're right. I think that the story is perfect for 2 minutes. If we have to do something more, we need to flesh it out. Like suppose you have to do a 5-minute story, but I think your characters are very well defined. Like me, a little too simplistic, but I love that. I think that's rudimentary theatre. Difficult theatre, complex theatre, got a space, but so does rudimentary. So I think you guys did a good job, and I need to compliment the whole 3 teams. I think you took to this idea of this lottery business very well. And actually, I had my fears, which I did express to you, that when you just have friends, just chatting with friends, and you don't really do that much. So that is the kind of thing. So yeah, have a seat. Anything you'd like to say about working with each other? Pardon? How is it working together? Too many experiences. Okay, fair enough. I think you did well. I think we need to come back, and then we will talk a little bit more, but we need to come back. Come. Excellent.
My name is Aranya, and I really liked the day today. It was quite interesting and exciting. I enjoyed all the activities. My favorite were the mime activities we did in the beginning, and also making the plays was very nice.
Hi, my name's Anjali, and I think today was a really fun day. The best part were the activities, and the play was really good. And I think the food was great, so that's the best part. Hi, my name is Kusha, and I think we're off to a pretty good start. And I honestly and sincerely believe that this idea has a lot of scope in the future. So, yeah.
Hi, my name is Gronya. I think today was a lot of fun and there's a lot to learn, a lot to share. So yeah, I look forward to tomorrow.
Hi, I'm Yogesh, and I thought today was amazing because of the way the actors were able to convey stuff so nicely without the use of props.
Hello, my name is Chaitanya. I enjoyed the activities today. I look forward to coming back tomorrow.
Hi, my name is Rishabh. I thought today was really informative and fun.
Hi, my name is Diksha Gupta, and even though I missed my SAT class for this, I think it was a great experience.
Hi, my name is Akash Basu. I thought today's experience was really fun. The activities they made us do were, again, really fun. And I hope to come back tomorrow. I hope it will be exciting. Thank you.
Hi, my name's Kuvam. I really enjoyed the activities today and I look forward to coming back tomorrow.
Hi, my name is Sanath. I thought today was a really great day. We learned a lot of things and I look forward to coming back tomorrow.
Hi, my name is Siddharth. I thought today was a really great day also, and today was booming, to be precise. And I really look forward to coming back tomorrow.
Hello, my name is Ria.
Hello, my name is Rajul. Jagran, the journey of joy.
I was very sensitized by what we learned today.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dhruv Sharma, and I found today's experience really educational and fun. And the best part was when we had to perform in just 2 hours, we had to prepare our own script and play, and I thought that was really fun.
I thought today was a really great experience. It was really nice working in a team, and I've never really experienced mime at first hand before, so that was nice and interesting.
Hi, my name is Subha. I had a really nice time today, and I think we learned a lot, and I really look forward to coming tomorrow.
Hi, my name is Sarab. I really love acting, so I loved today and the workshop, and the Kati roles were awesome.
Hi, my name is Shaila, and I really liked the plays that were performed today.
Hi, my name is Seher. Today's experience was extremely educational, and working with the team was a lot of fun. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sarthak Gupta, and at this Jagran workshop, I had a lot of fun doing the play that we had to perform.
Hello, my name is Arun Bagati and this Jagran workshop was an extremely good experience and it really helped me improve my interpersonal and communicational skills because I'm not really good at performing and all that.
Hello, my name is Viren Gupta, and what I've learned from today's experience is that words aren't the only medium through which a message can be sent through.